Hello. So now we take exercise 3.1, question number 1. After tell his daughter 7 year ago. आफ्ताब नाम का जो व्यक्ति है वो अपनी बच्ची से कुछ बोल रहा है कि 7 साल पहले की कंडीशन बता रहा है. 7 year ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 year from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. The represent this situation algebraically and graphically. There are two factors. First आफ्ताब और second उसकी लड़की, उसकी बच्ची, राइट. नाई हमको आफ्ताब की एज मालूम है, नाई डॉटर की एज मालूम है, प्रेजेंट एज, राइट. सो फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन, लेट आफ्ताब present is be x year, right, and daughter present is b by years, right. So let after present is be x year and daughter present is be y year, right. Then now as per question, means that according to question I was 7 times as old. कौन बोल रहे हैं? उसके पापा बोल रहे हैं, मतलब आफ्ताब का 7 टाइम है. तो एज पर क्वेश्चन आपने को सबसे पहले मालूम है 7 टाइम एज ओल्ड मतलब 7 वो बड़े हैं. क्या लिखा आफ्टर 7 ईयर एगो, 7 साल पहले की बात चल रही है. तो अभी प्रेजेंटेज कितनी है x, तो 7 ईयर एगो कितनी होगी, तो यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए एज पर क्वेश्चन, बाद में लिखिए, अभी लिखिए 7 ईयर इसका एज आफ्टर equal to present is x year, then 7 year ago means x minus 7 year, right, and daughter is seven year ago by minus 7 years. Then as per question after tell his daughter 7 year ago I was 7 times. I was मतलब आफ्ताब x minus 7 equal to 7 time of daughter is by minus 7, right. Then solve by equation x minus 7 equal to 7 by 7 by minus 49, right. Then x minus 7 by and this is plus 42, right, equal to 0. This is first algebraically solution. Then according to second condition, so second condition is time as old you were then, okay, 3 year from now मतलब 3 year बाद. So now we write after 3 year after is present is x, then after 3 year means that x plus 3 years, and daughter is y plus 3. Then as per question condition क्या है, 3 year from now I shall be 3 times means फादर बोल रहा है x मेरी उम्र, आपकी उम्र की कितनी है 3 टाइम y plus 3. Then x plus 3 equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 9. then transfer this, so x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, right? So this is second algebraically solution. So this is the first, according to situation, according to question, this is the algebraically solution. So this is the algebraically solution. Then now find the graphically solution. So how to find? So this is there one equation x minus 7y, and second equation है x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. इसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग इसका ग्राफिकल सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करेंगे. ओके. So this is first equation, x minus 7y plus 42, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0, and next equation x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, right? Then now row. So now find the graphical solution. How to find graphical solution, right? So x minus 7y, so this is x minus 7y. So x equal to 7y minus 42. Now we can write there. Now find the value of this is x and y, right? Or we can write in the by form x equal to this. So okay, so x equal to, suppose that here 0, x equal to 0, then 7y minus 42 transfer this side, so plus 42. So this is 7, say 7 6 are 42, 0 6, right? Then x equal to, suppose that 7, x equal to, suppose that 7, 42 transfer this side, so 7 plus 42, 49 divided by 7, then this is 7, right? So this is our solution. Then now second equation, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, then 3y we can write y के फॉर्म में भी राइट कर सकते हैं और x के फॉर्म में भी राइट कर सकते हैं now. So 3y equal to x minus 6. So then x equal to, suppose that x equal to 0, so this put here 0, so this is minus 6 and divided by 3, so minus 2, clear? And x equal to, suppose that 3, so 3 minus 6 means minus 3, minus 3 divided by 3 means minus 5. Then graphical solution represent, so this is x-axis, y-axis, and here x dash, and this is y dash, right? And origin. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? And that side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? This side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and downside minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So graph for equation x equal to x minus 7y plus 42, x equal to 0, so there 0, and y equal to 6, so this is here, so this is coordinate 0 and 6. X equal to 7, then y equal to 7, so x equal to positive value 7 and y equal to 7, so यहाँ से हम ऐसे आएंगे और यहाँ से ये मिलाएंगे, तो ये कहाँ हो जाएगा, यहाँ है. So this is 7 and 7, and join this, right? So this is equation x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0, right? And Second, x equal to 0 and y equal to -2 downside. So x equal to 0 and y equal to -2. Then x equal to 3 and y equal to -1. X equal to 3 and y equal to -1. So x equal to 3 and -1 and join this, right? So this is equation. देख लीजिएगा आप इक्वेट, क्योंकि मैंने विदाउट मेजरमेंट बनाया. ओके, सो दिस इज द x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, right? So this is the graphical solution, right? And this is algebraic solution. Clear, my dear friends? Okay, now we'll take next video with question. We will meet with question number 2.